Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the muscle car world, the all-new 2025 Dodge Charger RT. This isn't just another refresh or facelift. Dodge has gone all in with a bold redesign, updated performance, and a completely different driving experience, and you're going to want to hear every detail. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice, the design. Dodge has completely reimagined the Charger for 2025, blending retro muscle car DNA with futuristic styling. The front fascia pays tribute to the classic Chargers of the 60s and 70s, with a modern twist. You've got a wide, aggressive grille, signature LED lighting that wraps around the front end, and those sculpted hood lines that scream performance. The RT trim specifically comes with subtle yet muscular enhancements like blacked-out accents, a revised front splitter, and 20-inch wheels that give the car a proper stance on the road. Move around to the side, and you'll notice a few things. The fastback silhouette is back. That sloping rear roofline is a nod to Charger heritage, but the execution is pure 2025 smooth, aerodynamic, and aggressive. Around back, the full-width tail light bar returns with a modern LED layout, and yes, there's a performance exhaust system with real-deal growl. But here's where things get really interesting. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Charger RT is no longer rocking a traditional V8, at least, not in the way you might expect. Instead, Dodge has introduced the all-new Hurricane inline-6 engine, a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged unit that delivers around 420 horsepower in the RT configuration. That's more than the outgoing 5.7-liter Hemi V8, and it delivers that power more efficiently and with less emissions. Purists may need a moment to adjust, but once you put your foot down, you'll realize this isn't a downgrade, it's evolution. And yes, it's available with all-wheel drive, which is a huge deal for Charger fans in colder climates. You get improved traction without compromising too much of that rear-wheel drive feel that muscle car enthusiasts love. The RT also features a performance-tuned suspension, stiffer chassis, and recalibrated steering, making it feel sharper and more responsive than any Charger before it. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed into a completely reworked interior that's all about blending performance with modern tech. The driver gets a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, fully customizable, with performance gauges, navigation, and drive modes. The center touchscreen is a massive 12.8 inches, running Dodge's updated Uconnect 5 system, which is fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Materials throughout the cabin feel premium, especially in the RT trim. You've got sport bolstered seats, contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and optional Alcantara inserts that remind you you're in a performance machine. And despite its performance focus, the Charger RT remains a practical daily driver. There's ample space in both rows, and the trunk is surprisingly large for a sport sedan. Now let's talk driving experience. On the road, the Charger RT pulls hard. Turbo lag is minimal, and the power delivery is smooth and linear thanks to the 8-speed automatic transmission. You get selectable drive modes: Auto, Sport, and Track, each of which adjusts throttle response, transmission behavior, and suspension stiffness. In Sport or Track mode, the exhaust opens up, giving you that deep, satisfying growl that muscle car fans crave. And yes, it's still loud when you want it to be. Braking performance is solid too, with large discs at all four corners and confident pedal feel. The RT isn't just about straight line speed, it handles corners with real composure. Thanks to improved weight distribution and a more advanced suspension setup, This Charger carves through twisty roads better than any of its predecessors. To wrap things up, the 2025 Dodge Charger RT is a bold step forward for American muscle. It keeps the spirit of the Charger alive while embracing the future: more power, better efficiency, and sharper handling. Yes, the V8 may be gone in this trim, but the Hurricane engine brings more than enough thunder to the table. Combine that with modern tech, AWD capability, and a head-turning design, and you've got a performance sedan that's ready to challenge the old guard and attract a whole new generation of fans. If you're as excited about the new Charger as I am, drop a comment below. Would you go for the new RT, or are you holding out for the upcoming electric Daytona SRT version? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more car content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.